The most common reason for dental professionals to miss work is respiratory infection. The use of high-volume evacuation has been shown to reduce aerosols that are generated during ultrasonic scaling by 90%. Dentsply Sirona's Purevac HVE system enables a one-handed approach to evacuate the patient's oral cavity of potentially harmful aerosols, splatter, fluid, and debris. The Purevac HVE has a reduced noise level compared to a standard HVE tip for patient comfort while providing retraction, visibility, and illumination to treatment areas. The following video is meant to provide helpful tips and tricks to maximize the use of the Purevac HVE system. The following video demonstrates a variety of tips and tricks for fluid management. Each tip may be beneficial for use depending on the patient presentation and the task at hand. The Purevac HVE will aid in fluid control at the work site. However, as with any standard HVE, it may be necessary to retrieve excess fluid. To improve fluid control at the work site, it may be helpful to rock or tilt the opening towards the water source. To capture residual fluid at the retromolar pad area, Dentsply Sirona recommends a dip and go technique. To do this, rotate the opening of the tip over the occlusal surface of the molars and allow the device to remove any excess fluid. If you are unable to perform the dip and go technique, these next few tips may be beneficial for fluid management. You can utilize a standard saliva ejector in the corner of the mouth. Or another option, leave the Purevac HVE on as you pause to use a standard saliva ejector to remove residual fluids. Keeping the Purevac HVE system on during and after the procedure will create an environment of fewer potentially harmful aerosols. The tips and tricks demonstrated in this video were developed as a valuable guide in utilizing the Purevac HVE system during ultrasonic scaling instrumentation. Please contact your Dentsply Sirona sales representative for additional support and information.